So guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Gratitag copy project in a 2023 update, mid 2023 and below. And so first, you don't know how to asset rep. I'll make a tutorial later for asset repping. If you don't want to wait, just follow the start of this tutorial, which shows how to use SteamDB, asset repper, stuff like that. Okay, so once you've opened your project, after you've followed that, you're going to go to project settings. Well, you want to press edit, project settings, and it should bring up here. You can put version 0.1, company name. Just, I like to put the update that I'm making. And here, I just put who's buying, and in here you want to put Gorilla logo. This top one. Android tab here. Other settings. Remove the bottom one. Turn these two off. Make this ASTC. It might compile, I'll be back when it's compiled. Okay, so once it's compiled, and then go low quality, make this normal. Make this one normal as well, but from here, Android 5.1, you're gonna make that Android 11.0. Mono, IL2CP, yeah. Turn on ARM64. And then you're gonna wanna, make sure this is a 16. Default string size, make sure it's 16. And then I'm gonna go to Windows icon here, other settings, turn off dynamic and static batching. High quality, make it normal quality. Some same thing. Boom. And then boom. Okay. Now we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, and then open the scene solder. Gorilla tag SJR. All back when it's opened. As you can see, once it's opened, you're gonna go to back to assets and then clear. Now you're gonna see. I'm gonna say it's really dark. If your updater leaves, personal leaves, change the shader, make it standard, and then turn on emission, press this texture, drag that into color emission, turn it down a bit, go to my Discord, go to, I'm gonna go to shaders right here, grab these two, wait no, yeah, okay, gonna grab this bottom one and this top one, and then you're gonna import both. Shaders, fixed wind, and that one. I just need to okay. And now, trying to fix it being dark. Go to material, press Control A. Might take a minute. Okay, and now unselect any solid color or like clear or somewhat see-through materials. So unselect them ones and only them ones. Also unselect the crystals so as they'll break. Also unselect dark furs. Unselect the faces. unselect ice, unselect infected and it, unselect light fur, unselect mirror and mirror center, and also sky, unselect, yep. To unselect, just hold down Control and select the material. Unselect rain and plastics. Unselect SJ sky. Okay, now once you've done all of that, shader, get rid of gray night lab and light the bottom one. As you can see, it'll be really bright. Light map 2, make it 3 p.m. Light map 1, 3 p.m. As you can see, it's daytime. Or you can do sunrise. Give it a nice sunrise. You can add 10 a.m. Personally, I don't really like 10 a.m. It's too bright. Not many shadows. My favorite is 3 p.m. Gonna need to upload. Okay, and now, once you've done that, now for the fixed wind, I'm gonna go to clouds, select the wind, drag on the fixed wind into the shader. Boom. And yeah, okay. Now we're gonna focus on fixing up the errors. So, go to my Discord, and now we're gonna want to download. And then you're gonna go to voice chat fix, download this package. Playfab fix, download this package. And then backtracing, download that and extract it. Oculus integration, press a link, add it to your assets. Pathfinding fix, download that package. Newton soft fix, download that, extract it. And then after you've done that, or also Steam VR fix, click that link, add it to your assets. And then open a plugin folder. Select this is HDR pathfinding, backtrace, Cinemachine, Clipper library, Oculus.platform, Oculus.VR, all the pathfinding ones, all the photon ones, Playfab, not Cyrenix ones, Steam VR, and all the Unity dots, and Valve New and WebSocket. Delete them. Delete. Should have these left, and maybe a couple more. Once it's compiled, you'll see you have even more errors now. Go to Package Manager, Unity Registry, actually no, My Assets. If you've done, click this link and add it to your assets, and also Oculus Integration, same thing. You should see Oculus Integration here. I'm going to press Import. Do not import it yet. I'll be back once I have it open. Actually no, import is Just import the whole package. I'll show you what to do after. Okay, just press all and then import. I'll be back when it's compiled. Alright, once it's compiled, console clear now, so you have even more errors. Never mind. Okay, system errors. Okay, open the Oculus folder. Select Audio Manager and Sample Framework. Press delete. And then you want to delete these two. Delete. And I'll be back once it's compiled. Oh, it's already compiled. Is it? I can't tell. I think it has, yeah. No, it hasn't. I'll be back when it's compiled. Okay, now I'm going to press Steam VR plugin. You're going to press import. Don't worry about the errors, they won't compile because you haven't imported everything else. I just want to import Steam VR plugin. I'll be back when it's compiled. Once it's compiled, console clear, you'll still have the same errors. Then you're going to go to, you see where it says My Assets, press Unity Registry. And then you're going to get animation rigging, press install. It won't take long to compile. Wait for it to compile. Okay, press fixed win. Select these two shaders, just put it in your shader file folder. And then find Cinema Machine, press this, press install. And then go to input system, press install. I'll be back when it's compiled. Okay, once it's compiled, find where it says recorder, install that. I'll be back when it's imported. Once it's compiled, you're going to scroll down until you see TextMesh Pro. Press that, press install. I'll be back when it's compiled. Okay, you might get this pop up. Just press yes for these and other files that might be found later. Just press yes. I'll be back when it's compiled. Oh, it's already compiled. Okay, and now you're gonna go down into the XR interaction toolkit. You're gonna press install. I'll be back when it's compiled. Okay, once it's imported, you're gonna press samples here and then import starter assets to stop them. I'll be back. Oh, it's on. Select compile. XR plugin management. Press install. Once it's compiled, console clear. You'll see you have a load of errors. That's where you go to my Discord. You're gonna go to is it voice chat fix? Download that package and import it. Photon fix v2. Just gonna import it. Once it's imported, press all and then import. I'll be back when it's compiled. Okay, so once it's imported, I'm gonna go to my Discord. Go to Playfab Fix right here. Download this package. Right, and import it. Playfab Quicks. Import it. Press all and then import. I'll be back when it's compiled. Once it's compiled, you're gonna go to plugins folder. Go to my server. Go to backtracing fix. Download this, and then you're gonna extract it. And then you're gonna drag in the extracted folder. Backtrace Unity 3.8.5. Just drag it into Unity. By opening File Explorer, dragging in the folder into your assets. And then it should compile. Yep, console clear. And then I'm gonna go to pathfinding fix, download that package. and then import this package. While that's importing, you're gonna go to Nissan Softfix here, download that, extract it, and then reopen the project. Reopen it, open File Explorer, drag in the extracted folder. Not the zip folder, the extracted one. Make sure you drag in the extracted one. Okay, console clear. As you can see, you only have 2 errors, or you might have 4, but all the fixes are on my Discord. So for Play Fable Authenticator, you got to do this anyway if you didn't have Play Fable Authenticator error. It doesn't matter if you have it or not. Go to Play Fable Fix. You've got to do this or service on work. And then you're gonna send a new one. That one. Copy that whole thing by pressing this the whole file. Copy the whole thing, you know. Open the script. Control A, Control V. So for example, Control A, Control C, go here, Control A, Control V. And then, as you can see, boom, got to do this anyway, I remember, yep, blanket version. Go to my server, fix boing, view whole file, copy this whole thing, Control C, Control A, Control V, save, clear the script. And you should have no more errors, so I'll be back when it's compiled. Okay, from here it's really easy. Press send, press show assets, press clean up package. And just wait. Press restart, upgrade, restart. Just gonna drag us over here. Might take a while. Once it's done, Unity will close. I'll be back when it's done. Once this is done, you're gonna stop opening Unity. Just minimize that. Press Control Shift Escape. Press yes. And you're gonna close Unity Editor by right clicking on it and task. And then open Unity Hub, press on the 3 dots next to your project. Since when I did not open it. Press on the 3 dots, press Show in Explorer, and open this folder. You see library, click on it once and delete it. And then press yes. And it's gonna delete. I'll go for this deleted. Once it's deleted, you can close that File Explorer and reopen the project. It might take a minute it'll take a while to reopen, so we'll go when it's reopened. Okay, once it's done, you don't need to import anything else. Actually, you need to do one more thing. Go to Gorilla, go to Fix Computer. You don't need this for now. Okay, you're gonna go to the samples folder here, extra interaction 2.4.3 start assets. For all of these, like the ones that have sliders, at these three, these ones, and the bottom ones. I'm going to press add to all of them at the top right in the inspector. I'm going to press add. Do that for all of them. Every single one. Boom. And project settings. Press Excel plugin management. Go to Android tab here. Press Oculus. Let it compile. Take a minute, I'll be back when it's compiled. Alright, once it's done, you want to go to the Windows icon. Press Open Excel. Enable it. I'll be back when it's compiled. Alright, once it's compiled, then press Enable. Go to Oculus tab. Make this multipass. On the Android, make it multipass. Turn this on. Turn this on. Go to Open Excel. Make this multipass. On the Android tab, press the plus. Oculus Touch, plus again, MetaQuest Touch Pro. On the Windows, make this multipass. Interaction profiles, press the plus, Valve Index, Oculus Touch, and MetaQuest Touch Pro. Make sure you're in the Windows tab. Once it's done, console clear. Then you're going to go to Scenes, Gorilla Tag, and then open the scene. I'll be back when it's opened. Once it's opened, you're going to go to Assets, console clear. In the Assets, you're going to search up Gorilla Computer. Go to Computer, open it. Go to my Discord. Go to Fix Computer. Get fix name, case center up to break. There, and the fix name. That bit. And press Ctrl F in the script. Search up process. And see where it says process namestate. Hold down Ctrl and then press it. And where it says case center. Highlight up to where it says break. And Ctrl V. So it should be break and then case delete. Press save. Or Ctrl S. And scroll down a bit into process room state. Go back to my server, fix code, case center up to break. Copy that. Go to the script, case enter up to break under room state and paste it in. Save. Go to Unity. Wait for it to compile and it should have no errors. Close that. Just wait for it to compile. Boom. Clear. Alright. Control S just to save. Alright, and now I'm gonna focus on fixing rig. So what we're gonna wanna do, go to play our VR controller, drop it down up to here. Press on play our VR controller, press missing script manuscript, press this little thing. Search up XR rig. It won't show anything, you can press this little eyeball and XR rig top one. Dragging Gorilla Player into camera floor offset object. In the camera, you're gonna press this, press main camera, drop down global, drop down third person camera, delete shoulder camera, and then delete, go back to player VR controller, make not specified, make it floor. Once you've done that, search up Gorilla Tagger, open the script, go to my Discord, go to hit sounds fix, open the script, top one, highlight, copy the whole thing, open up the script, delete where it says using valve.vr, and then scroll down, to see void layout, protected void layout update, highlight up to where it says, you see the end of try to tag, this last bracket here, paste it in, save, you might get a couple of errors, if not then you're all good. Yep. And then search up vrrig, open the script, and mind it's all good. Boom. Okay. And now XR Interaction Manager, press this little thing here, search up XR Interaction Manager, press this little eyeball, top one, go to player, special script, search up locomotion system, little eyeball, top one, whereas that's XR origin, press this little thing, play VR controller, should have no missing script there, go into main camera, this one, make it tracked pose driver, press this eyeball, select the second one, select left hand controller and right hand controller, top missing script, make it XR controller, press a little eyeball, press the XR controller, the top one, the second missing script, search up XR direct, press a little eyeball, top one, XR direct interactor, where it says XR interaction manager up here, make it that. This third missing script, search up XR interactor line visual, press this little eyeball, top one, keep it turned off, drop down XR controller, press on left hand controller, see where it says right hand, press that, make it left hand, boom. Okay, that's XR stuff finished. Drop down global, and then local VRig, local Gorilla Player. Press on local Gorilla Player. Remove this top script. Search up Bone Renderer. Add that. Second one, search up Rig Builder. Press a little eyeball, Rig Builder. Second one, turn on the Rig Builder script. And then press on VR constraints under local Gorilla Player. In this specific script, search up rig, press a little eyeball, scroll down until you see this one, rig, right there. Drop down VR constraints, drop down left arm IK, right arm IK, select slide audios, both of them, turn them off. Select head constraint, this script, I'm going to make it multi-parent, search up that, press your eyeball, multi-parent constraint, make a position as 0, 0, 0. Then drop down rig, drop down body, drag in head into constrained object, head constraint into source objects. Press left arm IK and right arm IK. Make a specific script. Search up 2-bone IK. Select 2-bone IK constraint. Select left arm IK. Drag the target rest under left arm IK into target. On left arm IK, drop down shoulder L, upper arm L, forearm L, drag hand L into tip, forearm L into mid, upper arm L into root, press the right arm IK, the target rest under right arm IK, drag that into target on the right arm IK, on shoulder R, drop that down up to hand R, drag it into tip, forearm R, drag it into mid, upper arm, drag it into root. And then once you've done that, press on local Gorilla Player. Here, see under rig, drop down rig builder. On this rig, press this little thing, press the VR constraints, and boom. And then any assets, let's search up Gorilla Player Network. Open this, console clear, and then you want to drop down one of these, just so it's easier to navigate. Press on speak head collider, remove this missing script, add a speaker, spatial blend here on an audio source, make it 0.4, and then drill down head, handle, all of this. Boom. Press on Gorilla Player Networks up here. This missing script. Search up bone renderer. Add bone renderer. On the second missing script, search up rig builder. Press the reliable rig builder. Turn the rig builder script on. On this one, I'm gonna add a photon view. Add that. Where it says manual, make it auto find all. On this script, I'm gonna search up photon voice view. Add a photon voice view. Turn on use primary recorder. Speaker here. Press that. Press speaker head collider. On this one, add a photon view. Where it says manual, make it auto find all. Unreliable and change, press that. Make it reliable data compress. And then scroll down, VR constraints. Press this. Add a rig. Press eyeball. Rig for some. Head constraint. Search up multi-parent. Press the eyeball. Multi-parent constraint. Drag an head into constrained object. Make a position here. 0, 0, 0. Head constraint, drag that into source object. Press left arm I key and right arm I key. On here, you're going to add a 2 bone I key. Press the eyeball, 2 bone I key constraint. Press on left arm I key. Drag a target rest under left arm I key into target. Drag handle into tip. Oh. Into tip. Mid is 4 RML. Root is upper RML. Press on right arm key. Drag a target rest under right arm key into target. Handle into tip. 4 armor into mid. And upper armor into root. Press on Gorilla Player Network. Rig builder. Press on this rig. VR constraint. Boom. Save. Boom. Save. Let it compile. So now we fixed rig. Drop down global. Local VR rig. Local Gorilla Player. Drop down head. Speaker head collider. Remove that script. Add a speaker. 0.9 spatial blend to make it 0.4. You can hide all that. Press on photon manager. Photon manager here. Remove all of these business scripts. Add component. Photon stats GUI. Turn it off. And then I'm gonna search up Crash Manager. Remove that script. Search up Steam Manager. Open the script. Delete where it says application.quit. And this one here as well. Save. Close. And then you can drop down Photon Manager. Press on Oculus VR. Turn it on. Remove the missing script. And OVR Manager script. Leave it default. Save. Cosmetics controller. Edit the script. Oh. Edit the script. Gonna quickly in Fits Cosmetics. I'm gonna add I'm going to copy this whole thing. Oh, I'm going to open a file, Control A, Control C, copy the whole thing. Open up the script, Control A, Control V. Open back the project. Console clear, should have no errors. If it gives you errors, just don't worry about replacing the script. Save. Drop down Halloween Ghost, floating chase skeleton, remove these two missing scripts. Search up photon view, left photon view, and left photon transform view. Make it clear. And in the assets, search up Gorilla Prefabs, open the folder. Gorilla Battle Manager, open it. Remove missing script. Add a photon view. I need to drag it up here. Go to Hunt Manager. Remove missing script. Add a photon view. Go to Tag Manager. Remove missing scripts. Add a photon view. Photon Voice Prefab. Remove these two scripts. Add a Photon Voice Network script. And a recorder. Check in the recorder to primary recorder. Tell on transmit enabled and detect. Go back to scenes. Press save. Photon Voice Object Prefab. You're going to drag around to the scene. Drag it to the top. Draw down Global. Photon Manager. Drag Photon Voice Prefab into where it says here Photon Voice Object Prefab. Drag that in. And then here, search up Gorilla Player. Oh, Gorilla Player Scoreboard line. Open the script. Scroll down until you see this line where it says Photon Network Controller.instance get component recorder. Before get component, after the dot, type exactly what I do. Photon Voice Object Prefab. Oh, exactly capitalized like that, spelled like that. Close. Stop searching. And clear. Now, what I normally do is I import WSD player. And then go down player video controller, go to player, drag on WSD player. On player, make it go to player, camera transform, search up main camera, make a main camera, move speed, I like to put it as 5, rotation speed, put it at 0.3. Gonna press play. As you can see, it should play. It's gonna be like this. Still playing. Don't do anything yet. Go to console. Scroll all the way to the top. See unknown script. Right on my key. Remove it. This one. Remove it. This one. Head constraint. Remove it. This one. Speaker head collider. Just remove it. This one. Left on my key. Just remove it. This one. Actual gorilla. Remove these two. Monkey AI. Remove this component. Add a photon view. Drag on a photon view into there. Monkey prefab. Remove all these components. Add a photon view. Drag that into there. And the next missing script. Hit target. Select all the hit targets. Remove component. Add a photon view. Select even more missing scripts. monkey AI, remove that script, add a photon view, put it in there, left mesh floor, just remove that script, uncap prefab, remove all these scripts, add a photon view, drag it in there, dungeon door prefab, just add a photon view, and so we're missing scripts finished. Just go to the top. Boom. Save. And then you're gonna go to project settings, audio, make this 32. Max real voices. Turn this one off, enable output suspension editor only, turn it off. Go to the scene, console clear. Save. Press play. Now everything should work. I should put in your photon and the playfab authenticator script. But the playfab authenticator already comes with a built-in one. Anyway, WSD works. So you can use it using WSD on the keyboard if you hold down right click. As you can see, you should join a lobby. Yep. As you can see, voice chat works. Cosmetic should work if you add a cosmetic. Yep, cosmetics work. Private codes and name changing should work. You can buy cosmetics, everything works. You can build an APK, you can do all that stuff. And yeah, so to do to make a Grass copy project mid 2023 and under. So yeah, see ya.